In this video, I'm going to show you how to grow on TikTok with the recent updates. A lot of things have changed in 2024. Let's dive into the app and let me show you certain items that you probably didn't pay attention to. So first thing, I want to say that you don't need to have a specific skill in 2024 to be able to make it. I see that there is a new trend on TikTok. Now people are simply sharing their experience. So essentially, you can just start a brand new page in which you will share your experience on the daily life encounters. For example, I had lunch there, I had breakfast there, I joined this course, I did this program, I signed up for this group of people, I started running, I start experimenting this. So all we gotta do for you, this is a brand new trend. I've seen 3 or 4 different accounts in which are simply bombarding. This is how Alex Hermosi started. If you go all the way up to the top and you see his most popular videos are the one who actually were from the beginning. If you click popular, right, look at his videos. These are videos that are very old. Just look at how he looks like, right? So these are the videos that he was talking from his own personal experience, how he encounter business obstacles in personal life, how he actually deal with them. So sharing personal experience is obviously one of the biggest trends. And do you see how far he went? He was having maybe 40,000-50,000 followers when I watched this video, and this video was like live, was like just published, just imagine. And fast forward, we are what, 1.5 year after that, he's already seeing almost 800,000 followers. And it's not only him. Just think about what Andrew Tate did, right? He was sharing personal experience. He was sharing experience about traveling with a commercial plane. He was sharing experience about being here, being there. What is it like to become a professional kickbox champion? What was the experience being in Big Brother, right? So all these personal experiences are much more valuable. Personal experience, I believe, are the one that actually replaced the paid courses for doing this or doing that. Now people sharing their life expectancy, right? They're saying that, I tried these businesses and I failed. I was this, I was that, and this is what actually made me stronger. And people got hyped, people got motivated. And this is my advice for you guys. If you really stumble upon and you cannot find any particular skill, you don't have some nice, interesting, job at the moment, you don't have a business that you're working on, you don't have some crazy hobby or stories to tell, just be open and share your experience. People value much more experience at this point, because experience, it's essentially the lessons that you have learned based on the real life, right? This is no science fiction. So go ahead and start publishing on the daily basis. My advice is 1 to 3 pieces of content, and just be honest. People will appreciate that. For more tips and tricks like this, guys, subscribe and follow for more. Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can come up with viral TikTok ideas to make videos from, okay? And the secret of success is that you don't go on TikTok to look for these ideas. You are going on Pinterest. We're going on Pinterest, and then you go on the lower left corner. You're going to see there is a small magnifying glass. And then you go on the search bar and you're gonna type TikTok video ideas, okay? And this is where you're going to find everything that you want to be focusing on. If you look at the top, you have the small categories, right, for different niches where you can gain inspiration, right? Also, you can scroll down and look for a particular type of content that is similar to what you really want to do, right? There are people who are doing a lifestyle videos. There are people who are doing like educational videos, people who are doing review videos, and all these are ideas for you. And you can see that some of the videos actually get much more engagement. This video on the left has 400 likes, versus some other videos they don't have any, but it still can generate a good ideas over here, and see what people like and what people simply don't interact with. This is the pro tip because everyone else will be looking for TikTok ideas on TikTok. You're gonna be looking for TikTok ideas on Pinterest. This is what gonna give you this leverage. For more tips like this, guys, subscribe and like this video. Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can promote your videos on TikTok by simply using the built-in function in the app itself. This is something very few people know about, and this is how you can potentially get viral. Okay, let's launch the TikTok app and let me show you where this actually is hidden. First thing you want to do, you want to click on the lower right corner at your profile picture. Then when you have the landing page open of your account, you want to go ahead and click on the upper right corner at the 3 straight lines. Then click on Creator Tools, the first option. So now guys, if you scroll down to the section that is called More Tools, there is a second option which is like a small fire, like a Kindle icon. You want to click on it. When you click Promote, you are able to essentially select any of your videos, and you'll be getting at least 1,000, 2,000 or 11,000 or 24,000 views by simply paying for it. Okay, me personally, I'm getting a coupon from the app. I'm not sure you guys are going to get it. It depends, I don't know, of the location probably, or depends of the usage or whatever. But you want to make sure that you go ahead and check out, and this is where you're going to select. You see product selection. You can simply select switch video, and you can scroll through your content and pick which video you want to promote. But essentially this is it. I don't know, is it worth it just in the money wise? I don't know, 1,000 views, will 1,000 views get you the $5 back or $6 back? I don't know guys, depending of the content. But this is how you promote videos on TikTok. For more tips like this, guys, subscribe and like this video. Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to check your TikTok analytics on your videos, so you understand what works and what doesn't. Let's launch the TikTok app first. Then I want you to go on your profile, and I want you to pick a video that is the most common content that you publish on your page. Okay, let's take this video for example over here. There are two options to access it. First of all, you can click over here on the lower right side where it says more insights, or you can click on the three dots over here and then click analytics on the third option over here. Let's click analytics and let's take a look what this video is telling us. First of all, you're going to look at the performance. The performance section simply shows you how many plays this video got, right? How many likes, how many comments, how many shares, how many saves. The total playtime, this is sum up of the whole 307 views that they have. The total playtime is over 1 hour. How much people on average watched the video when they actually click 15.8 seconds, right? Watched full video, only 20% of these 307 people actually watched this video. 20%, not so bad if you're asking me. The next section will show you how many followers did you actually gain by posting this video. In our case, there is 0 followers, and this is comparable versus the last day to the very first day you published the video. Then you will see the chart or the graph how the videos were actually distributed since you published the video. As you can see over here, there isn't a gradual upper trend or downtrend. You simply had a major bump when the video was published, 300 views in a matter of 2 days, and that was it. But even though TikTok will always compare your most recent update to the video that you're currently analyzing. So if you can see over here, according to TikTok analytics, this video still gets 34 more views than usual. So this video still does a very good job. The next section over here is showing you the retention, where people are clicking off the video. When you actually analyze and pay very close attention, you could figure it out that people are probably expecting to see something, and when you look at the graph and see that very, very little people at the end, only 17% are still watching, versus 85% at the opening, at the first second of the video. So the retention graph represents how people are happy or sad of what they actually find out, because everyone comes with particular expectations. The last option over here is again the traffic source, where are your viewers found the video, watched the video, and how the video actually was promoted or served or represented on the platform. As you can see, 97.7% comes from the For You page. This is the recommendations. This is what YouTube essentially recommends people to watch on their feed, people who are not following me. The second part over here of the analytics is actually more interesting. This is in-depth breakdown of the followers, the gender of the followers, the amount of followers that actually interact with. You will see the gender here, majority of which are male, only 8% female. As you can see, we have a full breakdown of the ages of the followers or the viewers of this particular video. We also have locations, top locations, and we also have a city breakdown, right? We have by cities, people, where they're watching and where they're interacting with. But essentially, guys, you want to make sure you analyze the data and you want to make sure that you're taking notes. I understand this is a lot of information, but if you take notes on a piece of paper on the site, you will be able to analyze, and we will be able to fix a lot of the issues, like we saw with the whole retention, with the amount of viewers that are watching to the at least half of the video, if not to the end of the video. And you also want to make sure that people are really satisfied and engaged and have really fun time spending here on your page. For more tips and tricks like this, guys, subscribe and come back for more. Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to promote your videos, your pictures, and your products by simply using the promo feature on the TikTok app. Let's launch a TikTok app. Click on the lower right corner first, guys. Then you want to click on the upper right and click on the 3 straight lines. Then you want to click on the first option, which is Creator Tools. When you're over here, guys, I want you to come over here on the second menu, which is relation towards making money and monetization. So the second menu over here, More Tools, gives you the option to promote. If you click on Promote, you will see how everything actually works. So this is, first of all, part of your videos will appear over here. So you can switch and you can pick another video to promote from your current published videos, right? The second thing that you want to pay attention to is that there are different promotional pack. You're getting different things if you pay different money, which I believe is not new. So the main idea over here is that if you want to get a 1000 plus views, it will cost you $5.83. If you want to get over here, as you can see, plus 2000 views, it will cost you around $12. Plus 6000 views, it will cost you $35, and 24,000 views, it will cost you $139. Again, very important thing over here is that first time when you use it, TikTok is giving you a coupon over here. As you can see, I have a coupon which downsized the actual cost with $3.50. What I see over here is that it looks like it is very expensive to run ads. This 1000 views you could probably get with Instagram or Facebook ads. Probably you can do the same thing with Twitter ads for a fraction of the cost. Probably it will cost you around $2.50, maybe $3 max to get this. Okay, so there is a upscale over here, and I don't see a reason for you why you would promote a video which does not include a product, right? It has to be a sales pitch. It cannot be simply, going out for followers or viewers. The next section over here is your dashboard. This is where you're gonna see the conversion. You will be able to, compute the cost per acquisition, how much it costs you to generate a new follower or to generate a new views, because you saw this is an approximate amount they give you. They don't say that this is the flat amount of views you're going to get. Also, you're going to get how many likes, how many shares. Then you can compare your natural organic performance versus the paid one. Okay, and the last section over here, it's mine. This is essentially where you will be able to see what coupons are available for you to use given by TikTok, and then you will be able to see the reward center, which over here they will show you, okay, you spent $1,000, we gave you $100 worth of coupons, you save $100, something like this, nothing crazy. And then you have another functions over here. For example, if you want to pay for someone else's promotion, right, or you want to create a separate department in your business, you want to hire someone to do all this, you want simply to add him, and you want to add a manager, someone who will be managing all this and who will be creating the ads. And it's like that. It's like you're hiring someone to manage your Instagram page, or manage your Twitter account, or manage your overall social media. Again, guys, I don't think it's too crazy. Probably if you have a TikTok shop, and if you want to promote and run TikTok ads, maybe you will have a better output. Sure, people are looking for different results, but in my opinion, you will get the best money for your buck if you probably try to scale down on particular niche rather than going for the randomness. For more tips and tricks like this, guys, subscribe and come back for more.